Good day, everyone. My name is Chichi Chilolo. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And for those of you that are subscribed, gracias. Thank you all. Those of you that have been watching my video, I give it up to you guys. Okay, my today advice now for those married women we need the like sit down one place wey be say dem believe say their leg go dey go fiam 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 all the time. E dey pain me if I dey hear some men wey be say dey gallant, some men wey dey equal to the task dey complain say their wife dey cheat on dem. Na wetin dey pain me say my fellow women go fit dey do like this. You wey you know say your husband don do everything for you, you get everything, you no dey lack anything, you and your children. Once your husband leave go work or he leave travel, you go groove go, you go do as you like go. Life no be so, my sister. You go take your own take destroy the man life where you dey do around, where you dey misbehave with small small boys. When you know say the man no dey satisfy you, my advice be say make you go for horse. E be like say horse go satisfy you. If your husband manhood no dey fit satisfy you, go for horse own. Horse go satisfy you to the extent e go reach your head. I don see, even though before I marry, I don sit down in the midst of married women well, because I dey like follow women wey senior me well. I no dey like follow girls wey be my age or the one wey I senior, because I no go fit learn anything from them. I dey like follow advanced women. I dey learn something from them well. I dey hear when some married women dey talk say dem dey like dick wey dey reach, wey go be say dey touch their brain. I no know as the dick wan be wey go touch their brain. I no just understand some women. Dem go dey complain say dem like dick wey be like this my hand, if you join am together. Na that you dey find so now? When you know say your husband no dey satisfy you, why you marry am? Oh, you marry am because of saying rich, so you go dey collect the money go dey give person wey dey satisfy you. Why you dey do like that now? Wetin you wan gain? You no get shame? You no know say those things wey you dey do, you dey write something down for your children. If any man wey wan come marry, dem go say you no know that woman, na dog o, na so your daughter too go be o, no go that family. Why you no respect yourself where your husband keep you? Be contented. Your husband no dey okay. If your husband no dey satisfy you, okay, buy wood now. You know those wood, go where dem dey mold wood, make dem mold the one wey be like this. So when your husband leave, you carry am dey dig. If you survive, if you no survive, then do you? Dem even form carcass. Then those kind of cheating women, they form carcass. I come from married women today. The other video, the other time wey I do for married men, women dey happy say married men dey cheat. Those ones still dey cheat with sense. Some married women inside the pikin wey be say dem born, if dem born 6, e fit be say 2 na the man own, 4 na for outside. Even John, Ifeanyi, Kennedy, Uzochukwu, dem go throw away am. You know, I hear one time wey I dey watch for TV wey one doctor say first child for marriage no dey be the man dey get am. Most first child, no be all. Me, I no reason am like that o. First child care, you go dey talk dey go. First child maybe na when the love dey sweet sef. E fit be say na that man get am, but if you come reach middle, dem go still come dey misbehave. Na for those ones e dey pain me say I dey hear say some men go bring their wife come abroad, the wife go dey misbehave. Man wey carry you comot from your hometown come abroad, you go come dey threa ten am. Before you know, you go say you wan divorce. They go come dey give am 100 mile make e no reach im children, make e no reach house. Say wetin happen? Say you carry life keep for head. You dey waka up and down. You still marry, you dey waka up and down. You carry disease, you go give that poor man. That man go dey suffer. Wetin? Why you no cool down for yourself? Why you no accept Jesus as your Lord and personal Savior? Why you wan kill yourself before your time? You carry enjoyment of life put for head. Say wetin happen now? Wetin be your problem? all those women cheating women association, I dey ask una which level, wetin dey sup? Una no dey shame? Una no know say disease dey? Una no know say person dey tire for things? Game wey you don run before you marry, you come marry wey you go hold yourself? No, you go still come dey mess up. You see why wey be say some men dey say dem prefer to marry prostitute, because prostitute don see every drink. You don see black, you don see big, you don see small, you don see every. Once he marry, he go just close himself like this, respect himself. Meanwhile, you wey dem marry for village wey be virgin, once you marry, you go still wan test other. Wetin dey happen? Why you no respect yourself? You dey misbehave anyhow. You no respect your husband, you no respect him family. Some even dey give father-in-law sef, dem no get shame. Some dey give brother-in-laws once their husband travel. Some dey give gate man, security dem. Wetin dey sup now? Una don make women dem dignity don reduce to nothing. Una take una own dey destroy other fellow women wey be say dem no dey do anyhow. Your husband go keep you go abroad, before him come back you don do so tey e fit be say sickness sef dey your body, because you no dey gree keep body one place. You go say he no dey do there. Na true, he fit dey do there, but what of you? You know say woman body dey very easy to catch disease. You bend down sef say you want peace for road sef, you don catch infection. Talk less of say you come dey do anyhow. Abeg, women, my fellow women, I dey beg una, mostly married women, you don marry, you still dey do runs. You no dey tire for the runs wey you do from secondary school, you do for university, you still pass out, still do before you marry. E dey tire now. You no dey tire to do all those rubbish. If you don marry, respect your home, respect your husband, respect your kids. No dey come dey live wayward life wey go affect your children in future. Some tribe dey be say if visitor come, dem go take am welcome the visitor. Dem know their self, those tribe. Some part dey be say dem no dey fit marry one man. Dem go marry one, marry two, marry three, marry four, marry 5, 6, 7 dey go. When I dey grow for my former area, this one no be say dem tell me one woman like that, pretty fine woman, dey go follow vulcanizer and im husband be taxi man. Abeg ask me, vulcanizer and taxi, which one better pass? Some women no just get shame anyhow. Dem be like, even dog get dignity pass dem. Married women, which way? I dey ask una. That association of cheating women wey una form, abeg make una reform am. Make una reform am. Make una comot that cheating. Put dignity and respect to am. Abeg, e don too much. Make una form association of decent women. If dem dey call una decent women, na crime. Una no dey shame. Some dey even sleep with their pikin age mates. Some dey even sleep with their pikin wey be say dem dey call their own pikin bro. Make una take am easy o. You know say cheating dey, if e no kill the man, e go kill the woman. E fit kill both sef. You know. You wey dey cheat on your husband, you go cheat, collect money, come cook for your husband. You wan kill the man, kukuma pack your load, go your mama house, go stay. No cheat on your husband, no take your own, destroy im life. Because as you dey cheat, e go affect that man. If dem give you money, you carry am come cook for the man go die before im time. So no kukuma continue. Carry your bag, go back your mama house, go rent house, leave that man. Make a married woman wey go fit take care am till old age. No take your own, destroy the man future. Where you dey do up and down, because I know say if you survive am, the man fit no survive am. If the man survive am, you fit no survive am. Some women no get sense. Anyhow, they no care. If na crazy man, then they ready to open leg for them. My advice be say make una change. And my advice be say make una reform that women association of cheating to decent women association. And my advice be say if your husband no dey satisfy you, go for horse. No kukuma go for woman, because no human being go satisfy you. You know horse own as e be. I believe say you go enjoy am. Dey fool yourself. at your age, some 60 years, 70, they know they tire. Now when you enter grave, you go tire. You too do. You too do. See, oh, I dey cover eye for you. Oh, shame won't kill me. Shame won't kill me. You too do. Your own too much. Calm down. Yeah? Make your husband feel live long. Eat the fruit of his children. If you no wan live long, na your own problem. But make your husband enjoy your own children too. That's why you go see say husbands dem dey die early age because of wetin wives dem dey do anyhow. Some dem go even their rival go even give dem poison make dem put for their husband food make dem die. You think say that man go marry you? He no go marry you. Man wey give you poison make you put for your husband food wey your husband die, yeah, he go dey run for you. You know say you to waste am na like this. He no go marry you and no other man go marry you too. So you be wise. Stop that thing before it's too late. Okay? Na the advice wey I get for you. You don too much for una. The complaint don touch, e don reach me, e don too much. Haba, dem do una. Dog sef get dignity pass una. Shame. Shame.